Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. The steps are very simple, so let's get started. Open YouTube on your Android. You will land on the home page. Tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. On this page, below your name, you can see a few icons. If you scroll to your left, you can see turn on incognito. When you tap here, the incognito mode will turn on, and then you can tap on the home page and watch your videos. When you watch videos when incognito mode is on, then it won't be recorded in your watch history. In order to turn incognito mode off, simply tap here. So it is this easy to turn on and off incognito mode in YouTube. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.